Yo, what's up guys? Good to see you. Welcome to the vlog. So today I'm gonna show you absolutely everything I eat. I'm gonna track everything in my MyFitnessPal. I'm also gonna be taking you guys to the gym for our back workout. So I woke up this morning 146.2. That is very encouraging. So I am up from my weight of 144. The keto bulk is going well. I'm getting really stronger in the gym. It's kind of increased my appetite. All in all, I feel amazing. I changed up my morning routine a little bit the past few days. So I started doing lemon water in the morning. It just makes me feel refreshed. It's nice and acidic. It helps with digestion. I might actually try and add some salt to it tomorrow morning. I saw one of my friends do that, and I'm gonna give that a shot tomorrow. Also, shout out to Frederick Hansen for sending me this little bad boy. It's called the Aero Latte. Previously, I was using the Vitamix, which is kind of a pain in the ass to clean. This little thing right here is so clutch. I'm actually excited for this for when I travel, but I'm gonna use it every day. It's a very powerful little thing. It mixes up everything awesome. And I started adding cinnamon to my keto coffee. I did that a long time ago and for some reason stopped doing it. It's a great way to stabilize blood sugar for any of you out there who may be diabetic. Definitely add a pinch of cinnamon and that will improve. So we're gonna go say what's up to Paxton and we're gonna get this day rocking. You wanna say hi to everybody? You wanna say hi to all your friends? Don't be shy, blow them a kiss.
Ma.
There you go. Paxton is loving his new home in Austin. We've got a big community pool and it's got like this awesome splash pad. I'll show you guys later, but he absolutely loves it. It's very cool. He's got tons of room here. We're not really enjoying the heat though, that is for sure. Y'all weren't lying. Austin is brutally hot. I'm not gonna complain that much right now because apparently it gets worse. See, it's hot, hot. And another crazy thing, y'all got snakes here in Texas apparently. So we had heard about the snake issue. I wasn't really worried. I was trying to convince Carly, hey, everything's good. We live in a nice neighborhood, white picket fences, there's no snakes in here. And then she texted me this picture right here and I almost died. The biggest snake skin ever. Apparently it was just a rat snake. And they keep away the bad poisonous snakes. We haven't seen it in person yet. Hopefully it dipped out. But all in all, the Whitrocks are loving Austin. It's up, it's in the refrigerator to the side. All right guys, so sipping down this keto coffee, answering some emails from all of you and from my coaching clients. So I don't really talk about this much, but I do keto coaching. That is my primary job. I'm very fortunate I get to work with amazing people all around the world, helping them with transformations. I'm very open. I'm not like a, hey, I'll check in with you once a week kind of coach. I make my clients text message me on a daily basis. It's a really awesome family. If you guys are interested in coaching, because I've got a few emails here, people asking questions about it, I will give you a coupon code. When you go to my website, jasonwhitrock.com, type in the word butter, and you will get $25 off my 4-week coaching program. I promise you guys it's worth it. Okay, so I just entered my keto coffee into MyFitnessPal. I have not tracked in a few days, but I wanna cover a few things that I do when I track just to make it clear for any new followers. So what I'm following are what are called macro percentages. I have goals. My goal is 70 to 80% fat, 10 to 20% protein, and between 5 and 10% carbs, or always less than 50 grams total. So I am not tracking calories today. I am not tracking macros. I just want to make sure that the percentage of each macro falls in line with my goal. So let's say I have 2,000 calories today. What percentage of those came from fat, protein, and carbs? I just told you the goal. Now, there is a pie chart in MyFitnessPal. To find it, you click diary, you scroll down to the bottom, you click nutrition, and then there's a tab at the top right that says macros. When you press that, it's going to show you a little pie chart. That is my guiding star. I will be referencing that throughout the day. At the end of the day, I need to make sure that that pie chart shows my goal ranges. If it does, I will guarantee myself that I'm in ketosis and I'm making progress. So we are now gonna get ready for the gym. All right Alright guys, so we made it to the gym. As you can see, we are at a different gym today. We are at Nick Bear's gym in Round Rock, Texas. Ironically, I moved like 3 miles down the street from him. I was following him on YouTube for a while, had no idea he was here until Goody Beats told me. He's a super awesome guy. He's got a really powerful story and he's very, very successful at what he does. So he has opened up his private gym here to allow me to train, which is super awesome. So I'm gonna be filming a lot of workout videos in this spot right here. It feels good to have like a small, like private gym with the music blasted, not tons of people around. We got some guys working hard on the back. Nick owns his own supplement company called Bear Performance Nutrition, very high-end supplements. So yeah, we are gonna get our back workout in. So just to update you really quick, I changed my training split since the last time you guys saw me here on YouTube. So day 1 now is chest, which was yesterday. Day 2 is back, which is today. Day 3 is legs. Day 4 is shoulders and arms. And I will just continue to cycle through those training days and I will take rest days when I need them. So without further ado, let's tear this back up. All right guys, that's a wrap on this back workout. Nick Bear, thank you so much for letting me use your amazing gym. I feel at home here. It's nice to just be completely focused, not a lot of chaos going on. My workouts have been amazing, guys, lately. I've really been proud of myself for pushing myself. You know, for the past few months, I haven't challenged myself like I used to, and it finally caught up to me. But now, since I've moved to Austin, since I took this risk, I feel like I have a renewed sense of purpose. I feel more confident, and the more confident I've become, the more I've been willing to challenge myself, really push myself in here, and that's why I feel like I've been making such good progress, is just walking in this gym and not saying, oh, I'm just gonna get through it, but walking into this gym and saying, I'm gonna crush myself today, you know, and just having no mercy on myself, really seeing what I've made of. And that's part of the beauty of life, you know, is putting yourself through those struggles. And I feel like all the challenges that I face here, all the things that I conquer here, when I leave this place, life's challenges are gonna be much easier for me to deal with. So I encourage you guys, man, show up to the gym and really challenge yourself, really push yourself, see what you're made of, and you'll be stronger when you leave every single time. So I'll see you guys back at home. We got a post-workout meal coming up. Post-workout meal is ready to go down. We have 3 hard-boiled eggs. I used a hard-boiled egg cooker. If you guys don't have one of those, they are extremely clutch. You can pick them up on Amazon. They all seem to be about the same, but I've been using it a lot lately. It's just so much cleaner and easier. We also have ground beef. Now, I made this ground beef yesterday in bulk so that I could quickly just add it to my dish today. When I made it yesterday, I put turmeric and garlic powder on it, and I also used new salt. Now, new salt is good for adding potassium. So if you guys hate avocado, go pick up some new salt. You can also get light salt as well. Just go to the salt aisle, look at the very bottom. That's usually where it's found. Turmeric is a little trick I learned from Logan Sneed. If you guys have not watched the Keto versus Cancer video, it's amazing. I picked up a lot of good tricks from him. Adding turmeric is one of them because that keeps the inflammation down. It's a really, really good spice, adds good flavor as well. And then finally, I sauteed a vegetable medley. We've got asparagus, good natural diuretic, yellow bell peppers, which you should use in moderation if you have a lot of weight to lose. They are higher glycemic. And finally, we've got some mushrooms. I sauteed them in butter and then sprinkled some garlic powder on top of that. I will track all of this as soon as I'm done eating it.
1 hour later.
Can you say S?
S.
Good job. Where's the S go? Good job.
Ooh.
O. That's right. It's an O. Where's the O go? All right, guys, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack here. So we've got a Tomer kosher beef stick. It's kind of like a Slim Jim, only much, much better. Paxton absolutely loves these things. Hey, buddy, you want a bite? It's beef stick. You want a bite? You want a bite? Yeah. Is that good? Is that good? He's gonna be talking soon, and he's gonna have so much to say. I'm also gonna have some peely nuts here, very nutrient dense, high source of fat. The good things about these are they are low carb and low protein. They unfortunately though are expensive. So a good alternative is macadamia nuts. Other nuts that I like are pecans and walnuts and almonds. Unfortunately, Paxton is highly allergic to nuts, so we gotta keep these away. No throwing. Current time is now 5:40 p.m. and I am going to get another meal in. All right, so I took my first bite of this sockeye salmon. It's good, but I feel like it's not as good as the Atlantic salmon that I'm accustomed to. I feel like the Atlantic salmon's just more flavorful, more tender. This I perhaps overcooked a little bit or didn't season it enough. It's good, but I'll probably go back to using just regular Atlantic salmon in the future. We've also got our avocado, good source of potassium, 21 grams of fat, and our tomato mozzarella salad. One thing real quick, use oils, guys. If you're trying to increase your fat intake, the easiest way to do it is to utilize oils. My personal favorite are avocado oil and olive oil. Do you want to say goodnight to YouTube and blow everybody a kiss? All right, Paxton is now sound asleep. Carly and I are gonna hang out for a little bit. I am done eating, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you how the day ended up. Here is the pie chart. So we came in today at 78% fat, which is 212 grams. We had 19% protein, which is 116 grams, and we kept the carbs super low at 3%, which came out to 21 total grams. All in all, it was an awesome day. I had great energy all day long. I smashed my workout, got plenty of good healthy food in, so I'm very proud of today. And most importantly, I'm excited to wake up tomorrow to continue the grind, to continue the march towards my goal. As always, guys, keep up the good work. Thank you for your support. I'll see you again very soon. Much love.